Hello guys, good morning. I am Santosh Singh and today we are going to see what is overriding type mapping in Apache Scoop. So let's see these things and welcome to my channel. Suppose by using Scoop you want to import data from RDBMS to HDFS, or you want to import data from MySQL to Hive, or you want to import data from Oracle to Hive, or you want to import data from SQL Server to Hive. It means you want to import data on any one of these. So as we know that there are few data types which do not support in Hive, then how can you import the data? So we will see these things in today's sessions, and this is very interesting things. So let's see these things. As we are seeing here, Oracle data types to Hive data type mapping table. This is the Oracle data type and this is the Hive data type. In Oracle we have char and nchar, but in Hive we only have the char. In Oracle we have char and nvarchar, and in Hive we only have the varchar. Like this way, in Oracle we have the long, raw and blob data type, and in Hive we have only the binary, and in Oracle we have float, binary float, and in Hive we have only float. The same way in Oracle we have long, clove and enclave, and in Hive we have string. So as we are seeing that if we want to transfer data from Oracle to Hive, then we will face the few data types which Oracle have, Hive do not have. Like this way, let's see the next things. In next things we are going to see SQL Server to Hive data type mapping tool. Suppose we want to import data from SQL Server to Hive. As we are saying that SQL Server have these data types and Hive have these data types. SQL have big int, bit int, small int and tiny int. And with respect of these data types, Hive have big int, small int and tiny int. So like this way, in this table we can see that we have not the same data types in Hive as SQL Server have. So how can we import data from SQL Server to Hive table? SQL import data schema to Hive table. It write as MySQL to temporary HDFS location to Hive table. How MySQL table schema convert to Hive? Suppose there is MySQL data types and this data types have varchar, and this is the Java data types which have string, and this is the Hive data types which have string. As we know that Scoop written in Java, and Scoop use the MapReduce framework for importing the data, and MapReduce framework is also written in Java. So when we are going to import, then if there is varchar, then in Java there is no varchar, there is string, and in Hive string to string. So let's see that how override type mapping using by. So let's see overriding type mapping using double hyphen map hyphen column hyphen Java. The parameter double hyphen map hyphen column hyphen Java accept a comma separated list where each item is a key value pair separated by an equal sign. These things. The exact column name is used as key, and that the target Java type is specified as a value. It means this is the key, this is the value. If we want to change the data types, then we can change by this way: double hyphen map hyphen column hyphen Java id is equal to long. In this example, we can see that if we are going to import city table, and suppose in city table I have a ID column, and that ID column might be int, and if we want to change that data types, then we can change by this way. We can change id is equal to long, and suppose that we want to change more than one column data types, then we can put here those column name, after that the data types which we want to overwrite, and like this way we can put here so many id and so many column and data types by comma separated. We can put more than one, or we can change more than one column data types by using comma separated. Means like id is equal to long, comma, name is equal to string, and so on. So as we have seen that we can override type mapping by using double hyphen map hyphen column hyphen java. And now let's see the next things. How can we overriding type mapping using double hyphen map hyphen column hyphen hive? So the parameter double hyphen map hyphen column hyphen hive accept the comma separated list where each item is key and value pair separated by an equal sign. The exact column name is used as key and the target hive type is specified as a value. The same things which we have seen in double hyphen map hyphen column hyphen java. In this we only change these things. In this example we are going to import data from Oracle database to Hive database. So we can write syntax like this way, and if we want to change or if we want to override the data types, then we can write like this: double hyphen map hyphen column hyphen hive, and the name of column, after that the data types which we want to override. So suppose that this city have a name column and that is any other data types. Now, and if we want to import this data from Oracle to Hive and we want to change the data type of name, so we can change like this. When we execute this statement, then scoop will convert the name data types to worker and import the city table to Hive. So like this way we can change we can override the data types by using map column. There are two ways: either we can use double hyphen map hyphen column hyphen java, or we can use double hyphen map hyphen column hyphen hive. So this is all about. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel.